back to Bryn for a move. And you alluded to this yesterday when you were with us, or the day before. I can't remember. You were on the last couple of days talking about different stocks. Tesla, you did buy more, as you said you were going to. Yeah, it was on Monday. You bought it at $293. You sold the August 320s and collected $14.50. Why is now the right time to make that trade?
I think Kevin should do that trade too, or should have. Well, so I think that was the day that his American Party,
Maybe he already did.
Right? That was the day his American Party announcement came out. And so I just thought that I was surprised, once again, that everyone was surprised that he would do something like this, and I thought it was an overreaction. So I'm happy to own the name below 300, and the call premium's so high. So if it gets called away in August, which is 6 weeks away, I'll have made 14% in 6 weeks. If not, it'll lower my cost basis on this new trade by 14 points. So I think it was a win-win either way. I'm comfortable trading this name. I feel like that 250, 260 to 350. 360 is the range, and it's so big. So it's just a great opportunity to buy the name, sell some calls. And if it gets called away, it was a good short-term trade.
Bryn just loves the smoke. She likes the, I think you're addicted to the drama here. Can I do like a very quick Tesla Uber thing?
Yeah, go ahead, because
all right.
Uber was reiterated neutral by Ives.
Yeah, I'm going to call him later. I don't like that.
And Tesla was reiterated underweight at Wells.
Right. So Ives, this is the only stock Ives and I disagree on, and he's made his bed with like the Tesla call, and I understand that he's more bullish on Tesla, and Uber's gone up a lot more. So maybe tactically he might get this one right. I don't have as good a handle on Tesla as he does. I just point out Tesla is negative 25% this year. Uber's plus 60. Total return for the last 3 years. Uber is now better than Tesla, up 328%, Tesla up 31%. But then the 5-year is where Tesla has still been the better stock, obviously the more exciting stock. But like the more time goes on, the more people are starting to recognize that not every business Tesla decides they're going to get into do they become as dominant as they did on the EV side. And they're not even as dominant on the EV side that most people would have said they were 18 months ago even. So I think that's where the street is starting to wake up to this. I think there's a world in which both Tesla and Uber make a lot of money and do very well in robotaxis. But I have to be honest with you, the cost for Tesla to scale up its own network with no partners and the amount of time toward payback is like an incredible dollar figure. And in Uber's case, they can add EVs to the network right now, and it costs them effectively nothing. Might even save them money relative to the take rate of human drivers. You're telling me you think Tesla's better positioned than Uber for autonomous driving? Like how? Like literally tell me how. And I'm sure Dan has a great answer to that, but I haven't heard it.